This video will demonstrate how to create a work order based on a quote. To create a work order from a quotation, first locate the quotation. You can do that by choosing it from the list quotation screen, which you can access using the quick view buttons at the top of your screen or from the left-hand navigation menu. Or you can search for the quote by client name or quotation number. Once the quotation is opened, you must select the items that have been approved by the client by clicking the checkbox to the right of each line item. It is important that you click off the approved items so you can have accurate totals for reporting purposes and so the items will appear on the work order. Quotation items that are not marked approved by client will not appear on the work order. Once you have clicked all of the approved line items, click the Create Work Order button that will have appeared at the bottom of your screen. This button is not visible unless at least one line item has been marked as approved by the client. SnapSuite will automatically generate the work order based on the information in the quote. No need to enter the client name and address or contact info. The details will also auto-populate, and any notes and descriptions will be copied directly from the quotation. You can add any necessary internal notes to the section at the top of the work order. These notes will not be included in the dispatch to the technician and will not be sent to the client. In the Details tab, you can add a related PO if applicable, and you can schedule a due date for the job. The default due date is the same day the work order was created. Once you have the basic information entered, save your work order. Some new navigation buttons will appear, allowing you to dispatch the work order to a technician by text, send an email notification to the service manager, create an invoice, or create a purchase order. Any purchase orders or invoices related to this work order will appear under these tabs. Technician logs can be found under the Technician tab. Any pictures submitted by technicians by text or email will appear here in the Attachments section. You can also add attachments manually by using the Document Uploader. Remember, you must have Flash enabled on your browser in order to use the uploader. Once the work order is created, you will see it appear on the dashboard. You can also dispatch to a technician via SMS text from the list view by clicking the truck icon. Select the truck or technician you wish to dispatch to finalize the notes and hit send. Your technician will receive a text within a few seconds. They just need to reply with OK for the system to acknowledge the dispatch was received and for the dispatch number on the dashboard to be updated. That concludes our demonstration of how to create a work order based on a quote.